Video. I'll show you how to run away from the po-po. No, just kidding. This is not even a rap battle anyway. Anyways, I wanted to show you guys that Gator's doing fine. I'm doing fine. And also, shout out to my friend Benji before they start this video. It is an awesome video. I will teach you my comics. Dude, it's my comics. Okay, then. The Bird Brothers comic, Book 7, Dimension Disaster. Let's read it. But it's time to read Bird Brothers to the viewers. Okay, Chapter 1, Game Rocker. Hey, Jeff. Okay, we're gonna need to go much quieter place, because my annoying brother is here playing some Rocket League. Anyways, be quiet or I will leave. Anyways, so, hey Jeff, turn the page. Let me see. What? Help me.
Yes,
Pow.
I won this one.
Done and done. You know, this is really this is really good.
Shoot, I spawned over here. What is going on?
This is really good comics I made right here. I came up with this. Impressive. Hey Jeff, thank Dave. No, thank Robotic Dave. I trust you. Why can't you guys see that? Let me brighten it up. Anyways, thanks Dave. Gee, thanks too. Travel to the next one. Box them up. Boss battle. Huh? What happened to the TV? Jeff, no! Yes, it's pretty relaxing. What happened? And why do I have an afro? Most importantly, why boxing gloves?
I don't know.
We've been sucked in the game. Wait, we're in a 1980s game?
I'm just gonna do a random one.
Well, did you guys see that? Okay.
Let's do some hockey.
Wait. Aliens, I know how to play this game. Page. I beat the boss before. I'll do it again. Yeah, I should do it again. Okay. Boss is defeated. Is that a glitch? Hey, Mugman. What's that?
Yeah.
Okay. Chapter 3. God, wait, was there a chapter 2? Oh yeah, there was a chapter 2. I think I forgot to read it. No, I can't seem to find the chapter 2. No, there it goes. Epic battle. Let me. Chapter 3, Cuphead. Wait, is this chapter 3? Oh my God, it is. Okay. Pew, pew, pew. How do you do that? Like, they switch dimensions. His face looks different in this dimension, but not this dimension. Okay. Well, Cuphead and Dave, you just have to have power in you. I'm doing it. It's good, Dave. Okay. Pew! Yes. Wait. Yes. Okay. Another boss? An onion? Wait, everyone is probably wondering, even me, where's the rest of the characters like right now? Probably some aliens. I'm gonna get to the carrot part. Okay. Wow. 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 Okay. Back home. A portal? Dang, I feel bad for them. But at least they're going back home. We're back? Why am I still here? Us too.
No,
And you could see,
I need it.
you could see,
Oh my God.
You can see like Junior in the corner. That's Michael. That's Jeff, and of course that's Dave. But
Oh shoot. What?
this is the evil one. This is Jeffrey. Possess Jeffrey.
Yeah, I know.
But this is a machine that makes the portals and stuff.
Oops. No, hit that.
What are you guys doing? Michael, meet Cuphead. According to my textbook, the portal can only be opened by a person with this tool. What is that tool? Oh, here. See, told ya. It's me, you numbskulls. Chapter 5. Son?
But if it's like a computer
Ha 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 ha
like that, then it's a penalty.
Yeah. That looks so cool, how I did that. Oh. Anyways. Wait. We're in space? Yeah, if you could flip it over, you could see him saying, yeah, we're in space. How are we breathing? Son. They have like sunglasses on. Anyways, according to my textbook, it's because the machine. Of course it's the machine. Not again. How? Wait. Now where are we? Chapter 6. Super Bird 3D. Anyways. Sorry guys. What?
Oh, I think I might be.
No!
Do not go in the way.
Hours later. Dang, wait. Did you guys see his hearts right here? And then hours later, he tried. He had one heart left. Finally. Wait, the others gotta get across. No, just kidding. They already got across. Anyways, if one person gets across in this, all of the people get across. But they actually got across off the screen. Let's see if you let's see if you Nimrod can get through this. Calm down, Jeffy. I mean, Jeffrey. No!
Good.
Swoosh. No! Yes.
The rough
What's
side.
that?
The rough side.
Chapter 7. A big mistake. And that is what Junior did. He's lousy. He is clumsy. Yeah, that's what I mean. Clumsy. Is that a ghost version of me? Yep. There must have been a malfunction. Uh-oh.
No.
Help me. I don't even know what monstrosity I drawed here, but this is the alien, the giant alien. Giant alien. Ah! I'm calling Doc. You guys know who Doc is? I forgot him. Oh, he's not on the front page. He's not on the front page. Let me see if he's on the back page. Ah, too bad. He's not on the back page. Oh, as you see, here's Birdo.
If
you know who Birdo is.
I would be in this mess right now.
Okay, I'm calling Doc. He's like a therapist, I don't know. He's like some guy who could heal. Beep. Hello. Help us!
Oh, that was a straight goal.
Doc saves the day. Chapter 8. Doc saves the day, okay. What's that behind you?
Dude, that was a straight goal.
Long story.
Yes, it was.
I can, see what's going on.
No, it didn't.
I'm coming. It's too dangerous. Sorry if I spelled dangerous wrong, guys. Woo!
Do I get 2 free goals?
Thanks for those whistling powers, which he already has. Splat! Yes! Jeffrey? How do you still have the machine? Ooh, he's pretty possessed right here. Like the cover,
No, it
like the
wasn't.
front
No,
cover.
it was not. Look.
He's possessed.
No, look.
And
Look.
dizzy. Chapter 9. Dizzy.
Did you see the twist? And then it bounces off there and then it...
Destroy Bird Brothers. Run!
There's no way.
He's like, drop the machine. He doesn't care about it anymore. The way he runs is like pretty cool.
No, dude, look at the replay. Look at the replay. You gotta...
And here, guys,
I did that.
event. Why?
Like, yeah, I'm pretty sure.
Hurry.
Good. I'm glad you did that.
Well, Jeff is saying that, and Junior's down here. Safest place I've been to.
Can't wait for
He's coming! Which is right there.
Wait, no, don't get in the way. No, you did well.
Good job closing the vent. Stuck. Can't move. We're here. Oh, wait. Page is stuck. Chapter 10. Birdo!
Yes.
Oh no.
You can skip it.
Who are you? Of course you forgot, Birdo. Why? You forgot, Birdo.
Apparently.
What's this? I think I forgot something right here. What is this? I don't even know what that is, but I'm gonna set it down. I forgot about something. It was probably. I know you. He did not forget.
Reach 10 goals, you're basically a pro version.
Hey, Junior. What are you doing here?
Then you got like 5 goals, and he had 9.
Whoa! The book. It almost fell. You're supposed... Wait, is that right? You're supposed to be in book 2, man. Yeah, they remember him. I shall go now. That actually looks kind of like Jeffrey, though. The way I designed him. That was weird. He forgot us. We forgot him. It's pretty sad, though. I was just kidding. No! Cuphead, no! Chapter 11. Cure of a Cup. Aha! We can make an antidote. Sorry if I spelled that wrong. We can make an antidote and cure Cuphead. Yeah! Like, you basically you don't really know who Cuphead is, Michael, anyways. He's coming! Since when did they have signs? Bird Brothers. Whoa! I dropped the camera there. Blooper. Bird Brothers! Let's do this! Now where are we? Like, this is the part where they get superpowers and then they go on with it. Like, once they get out of the portal, they have those superpowers forever. I'm going to tell you guys the angriest mob in Bird Brothers. The angriest mob in Bird Brothers is the kitty group. It, like, munches people up. I don't know. Ha ha ha. The portal gun. Time to go. Just let me get on you, Bob. Yeah, that's Bob. So, he gets on his head to travel. Or he just gets inside of his mouth. And then there's like all these machines. No, just kidding. He gets in a doorway. Like, I don't really know where it is. Anyways. Remember those hover pads from book 3? What? Oh, yeah. That's book 3, the alien crystal. Chapter 12, Hover Light. Here, take them. Woohoo! Yeah. Get them, Velon. Velon? Who's Velon? Dave. I have sports powers. Cool. Take that. Kaboom. Oh, no. Leave it to me. Health up. I was so close to making it to this chapter. Guys, we couldn't